Hi guys, my name is Myra. Welcome to Let's Get Cooking, and today we're going to be working on corn tortillas. Hope you enjoy them.
And we're back, guys. Now we're gonna make our corn tortillas.
My favorite!
So make sure that your grill is nice and warm. And then we play the waiting game.
Again, this take about 1 minute per side. It's not that bad. And again, I added stuff to these, so it should take it shouldn't take that much longer to cook. And so yes. And then yeah. Then when you see them start turning a little bit white on the top, that means they're cooking. And they are so good. So that's it for this one. That's all you gotta do is just bake them, cook them, and then when you see they're toasty on both sides, you're good to go. Hope you enjoyed this recipe.
Let's get cooking.